Hello guys, welcome to Deeper Depth. I'm Raghavendra. So it's been a long time, right guys? So actually I was busy in other work. From now you will get weekly videos. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about what is revenue and what is income. So most of the people will think that sales and revenue are interchangeable words. Is it interchangeable words? No, it's not interchangeable words. So the agenda of this video is, by the end of the video, you will get to know what is sales, what is revenue and what is income. And the bonus tip of this video is, I will relate these three things by using the actual annual report of a company. So guys, watch this video till the end. So now I'll start with an example. Suppose I have shoe business and the cost of one pair of shoe is 3,000 and I will sell this one pair of shoe for 5,000, and I also have some bonds which yield an interest of 1,000 rupees. So assume that this is the details of 1 month. Means I am selling only one pair of shoe in 1 month. Assume that this is the details of 1 month. Now keep this example aside and I will start linking each element with the example. So the first is sales. So what is sales? Sales means it is the amount generated by the company by selling goods and services. So in this example, what is my sales? My sales is 5,000. Means 5,000, the whole 5,000 amount I am generating by selling my goods, which is shoes. So that will be a sales. Means 5,000 is a sales amount. So now we will discuss what is this revenue is. So revenue means it is the total amount generated by a company during a particular period. Means generally a company will have more than one source of income. Suppose in this example, I have two sources of income, which is one is from sales and one is from investment. So when we club all the sources of income of a company, then we will name it as revenue. So in this example, my revenue will be 6,000. Means 5,000 I have generated it from sales and 1,000 I have generated it from investment. So if I club these two, which is 6,000, then I will name this 6,000 as a revenue. So by this we can also say that sales is a subset of revenue. And why people will use sales and revenue interchangeable words, because small scale businesses will have only one source of income, that is sales. So that's the reason they will use sales as revenue and revenue as a sales. So that is the difference between sales and revenue. Sales means it is the amount generated by a company by selling goods and services, whereas revenue is the total income generated by a company, means clubbing all the incomes of a company. So that is about the sales and revenue. Now we will see what is this income is. Income is the amount which we get after deducting the expense from the revenue. So in this example, what is my revenue? Revenue is 6,000. And what is my cost, means expense? That is 3,000. So if I deduct this 3,000 from the revenue, that is 6,000, I will get 3,000, and that 3,000 I will name it as income. So that is about the income. And so this is the income statement of Godrej Consumer Products Limited. So you can see the top line of the income statement is revenue. Again, in the revenue there are two parts. The one is revenue from operations, which is sales, and the other part is other income. So this 9,910 crores is of sales, company sales, and the other part is other income. We will see what is there in the other income. So this is the other income note. So here we can see one is net income, net gain on sale of investment, and profits on sale of property, and it is also having some miscellaneous non-operating income. So when we club all these non-operating incomes also, then we will call it as a revenue. So here the total revenue is 10,023.10 crores. Now we will see these are the expenses. If we remove these expenses from revenue, we will get the income part, which is the bottom line of the income statement. I hope I have cleared the difference between the sales, revenue and the income. So that's all about the video, guys. If you are still watching this video, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share with your friends. And please share some doubts in the comment box so that I can make the videos on that doubts. And that's all about the video, guys. See you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.